Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a pretty choppy day once again. Big movement in the downwards direction out of the opening 30 minutes. So you can see, that opening 30 minutes, price was up here, came all the way down there. But after that, just bounced. It did recover, to give some credit where credit's due, but just got choppy. But what I want to do here is just focus on really two main levels to watch moving forward. And what we have here is just a good old-fashioned technical pattern. So let me get this pattern drawn out. So we have the resistance part of the pattern right there, represented by the red line there. And then as far as the support part of the pattern, represented by that green, or it will be green to represent more of a bullish dynamic here. There we go. And what we have here is just a wedge pattern, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. But the name of the pattern is not what matters. What matters is, the story that it's telling us. And the story that's being told is that as time has gone by, the bulls have been doing a good job of making progress in the upwards direction, just hence the uptrending trend line. But at the same time, the bears have also now started to press the price back downwards, and that's what's, given the ability there to draw that downtrending trend line. So that's what's creating this wedge. And, moving forward, it's just a big question of who is ultimately going to win out. Now, the one big thing that I want to make clear here is that I'm not trying to come across like this, symmetrical triangle is some great discovery on my part, or that I have some sort of special talent to have seen this. No, the exact opposite. I assure you a lot of people are watching this pattern, and I say that because when lots of people are watching the same things and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with this area. So nothing's guaranteed, but if it were to break to the upside, got to think that it could very well create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure, or if it were to break to the downside, got to think that it could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. So keep your eye on this pattern moving forward, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.